Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your capital with Goldman Sachs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your capital with Goldman Sachs, start by understanding your investment goals. Determine your risk tolerance before making any financial decisions. Visit the Goldman Sachs website to explore various investment options. Create an account to access their wealth management tools. Consult with a financial advisor from Goldman Sachs to discuss your financial situation. Review the different service offerings they provide, such as asset management and investment strategies. Consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. Invest in a mix of equities, bonds, and alternative assets. Use the research tools available on their platform to analyze market trends. Stay informed about economic developments that could impact your investments. Set up alerts for significant market changes or news that may affect your capital. Regularly review your investment performance with your advisor. Make adjustments to your portfolio based on performance and market conditions. Establish a risk management plan to protect your investments. Consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on individual securities. Be prepared for market fluctuations and maintain a long-term perspective. Take advantage of Goldman Sachs financial education resources to enhance your knowledge. Reassess your financial goals periodically to ensure alignment with your investment strategy. Engage with the community through webinars or seminars hosted by Goldman Sachs. Network with other investors to share insights and strategies for wealth preservation. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional reactions to market changes. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your capital with Goldman Sachs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.